Good morning, students. Today I shall teach you the Grammar Connect, second part of your English. Now open your book, the Grammar Connect, from page number 9. This one. Then you will find the title Articles and Determiners. Okay. Today's title is Articles and Determiners. Chapter number 1. Dear students, the words that have you used to complete the anecdote are called the determiners. You know, anecdote. What is anecdote? I explain you a short interesting story about a real person or event is called to anecdote. So, the words that we have used to complete the anecdote are called determiners. Understand? Let us now learn about them in detail. First of all, I would like to explain defining a determiner. Giving you some expressions. Pay attention, all them. First, this article, every employee, some confusion, the test is fruit, your pens. You have would pay attention all these expressions, this, every, some, the, yours, are expressions determiners. All these expressions are determiners. Once again, I am telling you all these expressions. Which expressions? This, every, some, the, yours are determiners. So, we can understand and write the definition of determiners like this. Determiners are words which identify and specify a noun in some way. Once again, I am telling you the definition of determiners. Very easiest words, easiest way. Determiners are words which identify or specify a noun in a some way. Further, difference between adjective and determiners. Now we have to remove the confusion between the adjective and determiners. Okay, listen. An adjective describing noun, while a determiner specify a noun and points on it. You have noticed? Once again, an adjective describes only noun, while a determiner specifies a noun and points at it. Now I am giving you an example, both of them, so that you could easily understand. Adjective example is Shweta is a graceful dancer. Now, graceful specified or identify Shweta. Shweta is noun. Okay. While another example of determiners is this girl has won the dance competition. Now, this is a determiners. Okay. This complete this sentence. That's why it is called determiners. Dear students, I think you have properly understood what is determiners and how can you write the definition of determiners and differentiate between adjective and determiners. So you have to write down in your copy definition of determiners and difference between adjective and determiners by showing you one example. Okay, goodbye students.